Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add payment gateway in Shopify. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go over here down below to the settings at the bottom left corner of the screen. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and go for payments over here. So guys, actually you will have two options. So for the first option that you have is by Shopify payments. So in order for you to do that, just simply go ahead and go for complete account setup. And from here, guys, you just have to simply submit an information about your business and just simply verify your account. So in order for you to do that, just click on submit details over here. And after that, guys, just simply set up your Shopify payment and just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And as you can see, just simply provide the account representative, the store details, and from there, Shopify will review your application. And once it is accepted, you'll be able to set it up. And now, also, just simply turn on the two-factor authentication in order for you to complete the setup. And now guys, for the second option that you have is just simply going over here to the see all other providers. So guys, just simply click on see all other providers. And from here, as you can see, you will have multiple options that you can choose from. And this is all the third-party payment providers that you have. So as you can see, you will have a lot of options. So just simply select one of these or one that you prefer. So guys, just go ahead and click on install over here on the top right. And from there, once you have installed it, you'll be able to set it up. And now just click on install over here. And as you can see, just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And that's simply about it, guys. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.